Geoptie is a website that allows you to conduct a free GEO audit. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And of course, this is a massively and rapidly growing space in the AI world. GEO is, of course, Generative Engine Optimization, essentially the natural evolution of SEO. And what I'll be doing here is I'll just add my website in here, and we'll see what it's going to give us. So I'm actually working on a few tools that essentially do this. I created and tweaked a multi-agent system that essentially spins up sub-agents to analyze your website for you and tell you why your website isn't being shown in large language models like Claude and ChatGPT as much as it could be. So we can see here I've got poor answer first content, poor citation authority, okay, some key issues here. This is a vague error message presented as a heading without explanation, calls a solution providing no direct answer to user queries. Okay, so I need to improve that. If you sign in, then you can see some more issues. Technical optimization can be better. So this homepage or root domain page lacks all essential metadata, structured data, and content depth. Okay, cool. Severely limiting its SEO and AI citation potential. Interesting. So crawlability is fully allowed, all this kind of stuff. Now, I am still in the process of actually improving my website, so this is all to be expected. And we can see here content freshness and competitive context as well. So you could essentially take a lot of this and essentially move it into a task list for, let's say, your developer or anyone who's vibe coded your website, and start using it to improve your standing in terms of.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Generative Engine Optimization. And I think you need to, I'm not quite sure, I think you need to sign in, but you can also get a detailed report. But yeah, ultimately, I think this is quite a useful tool for anyone who just wants an initial glance at their GEO standing. So as you can see, to get that full report, you do need to be signed in. But ultimately, I think this is a great way to just get a quick analysis and see why your website or some web pages won't be showing up in large language model searches as much as they could be. So definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.